We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We release the screws from the top of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We remove the plastic protection from the top of the device. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the screen connector. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We use premium red adhesive roll for mobile devices. We have finished the assembly process.